Hey everyone, this is a brief tutorial on how do you use the Credo reference database. And starting from the database page, you go to the C's for Credo, click on Credo reference. This database is like the Wikipedia of academic databases. It comes up with a lot of background information that wouldn't play a part in your own argument, but that would give good background information in your essays, especially essay 1. So we're going to use these for our own topics. And so if you're in the general topic of law and you're interested in the prison industrial complex, and you need to define that in essay 1, we would look in here. And so there's all these sources about the prison industrial complex. I'm going to click on this one, the Encyclopedia of Race and Racism, which gives us like historical, job market, all kind of a breakdown, a really good source probably. So if I were to use this to help define what the prison industrial complex was and give the background on it in essay 1, I would need to put a citation in the works cited page. And if I just click on that little cite thing, change this to MLA, copy that, paste it, then I would be able to use that on the works cited page without typing all that information out. So these are really good sources. They're peer reviewed. Excuse me. So come to Credo for background information on essay 1 and other classes, and make sure that you cite the title of the source. This is a rare case where you don't have an author, you have a source, like the Encyclopedia of Race and Racism. That's it.